Alright guys, it's that time. It's time to get this thing outside and see what she's gonna do. Alright guys, I got her out here. We're on the other side of the scale park where I have my trail course. It's all muddy, it's been raining here for the past few days. As you can see here, we had a bunch of mud holes. We're gonna stay out of them today. But yeah. I'm gonna try out the Traxxas TRX4 Ford Ranger F150 high trail. Do a little speed test here. This here is in first gear with the 2S. And that's full throttle right there. Not too bad for a trail truck. Good walking, about walking speed. Wow. Flip the switch here. Get her lock in there. There's second gear. A little bit quicker. Got some good sharp turning radius there. That, of course, is with both diffs unlocked. But yeah. I'll shift her back down in first gear here and get her on the trail. A little bit of body rub there. Tires rubbing on the front there a little bit. Not too bad though. And now we got all the diffs unlocked. I'm gonna try running as long as we can with them unlocked. See how far we get. Of course, this here's just a little trail course, so it should be alright with them unlocked. There ain't really nothing real big. Definitely like that turning radius it has and that ground clearance. That articulation that we seen earlier. Oh, had a little bit of diff slippage there. Nice. So far, so good. It's doing really well. This is all with the differentials unlocked. We're all in first gear. See how we get over this rock here. This here is pretty steep. And with my regular truck, I gotta go around it. We can crawl right over it. Well, I have to lock the diffs in here. Just give it a little bump. Would have been a perfect opportunity to have tried the differentials, but we can get into something a little bit harder. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna make it interesting, that's for sure. Being able to lock and unlock the diffs. Last time we was over here with the Hummer build, I believe we flipped over right here. Got hung up or something, I can't exactly remember. Came down that a lot easier than I thought we would. This ground clearance is crazy. Definitely not used to it. That was just drifting down off there, so drag brake ain't set up real hard on it right now. Still got all the differentials unlocked. And it is wet out here, guys. Like I said, it's been raining for the past few days. So, yeah. Thing looks good out here. Got a little bit of tire deflection. And I think they are a little stiff though. On this hillside here. Nice. Held it just fine. Yep. Held it just fine. So far we ain't had to lock the differentials in yet. Couple spots we could have. No, I ain't gonna fit underneath that log there. Used to have a bunch of rock laying in here till they came over and started that construction, but I didn't know if they was going to be on both sides or just stay on one side. I didn't want to lose my rock that I had. So I just took what I could out from everywhere. And I got to put it all back yet. Now, we're going to be getting into the more difficult stuff. So, may have to lock our diffs in here.